Here is Lollipop Chart. What exactly the Lollipop Chart is? It is a composite chart of with a bar and a circle where you can compare the categorical data. Because the categorical data is nothing but you can compare different dimensions and different measures at a time. So this is a simple Lollipop chart, and this chart is not available in our by default chart section. So based on data, we are going to make it happen. So how we are going to create this Lollipop chart? So I'm clear this chart section. I would like to see subcategory wise sales and profit. So first we are going to see subcategory wise sales in a Lollipop. So I'm going to drag and drop subcategory and sales into here. By default, it is giving the bar graph. Now in a in a Lollipop chart, I would like to see the size of the circle indicates our measure values. So to get another circle over here, I need one more sales. So I got two bar graphs. Now I'm making to the second one as I'm taking it as a swap the rows. Now this is the second sales value. Here I'm going to take it as circle, or you can take it as put it in, put it into the shape. I'm going to take the shape for better representation. I'm going to take the different shape like this ratings one. I'm going to take this one. Apply. Okay. Now I'm going to take dual axis. Make it as a dual axis and change the first sales placeholder into automatic to bar and reduce the size of the bar whichever you want, whichever size you would like to, and make synchronize the axes. So here I'm going to take the shoe headers. Here right click, synchronize axis, and on the second sales I am drag and drop sales into the size, because based on my size I'm like to show the I'm going to differentiate the dimension members with respect to the sale amount. I'm going to I'm making the color with respect to the subcategory. So drag and drop subcategory onto the all section color. And there is the size is some bit tricky. So I'm going to reduce the bar size one more level and making it as entire view. So each subcategory having different color, and the size of the circle represents your highest sales. Suppose instead of that, here I would like to show the bar as highest, the sales indicating on bar, and my circle indicates the profit, but the placeholder showing sales, and I'm going to drag and drop instead of sales into the size, I'm going to drag and drop profit into the size. Now you can see this circle indicates the profit, this is giving the sale value, and this is giving the profit value, because here both are syncing. This is the way we are going to create a lollipop chart. Lollipop charts are used to Lollipop chart is basically a composite chart with bars and circles where you can compare the categorical data with respect to the with respect to any dimension or any measure. So you can segregate the data into different categories. You can compare all the different categories into a single view. So you can take it as a make it as an interactive means. Suppose if you want to make it as a category level, so take a category as filter. Right click on category, show filter. Here you can see the filter. Suppose if I'm choosing office supplies or technology, anything. Suppose if you want to make it display the values, so turn on the labels. Now you can see here there are two labels are coming because this one is a sale values. So I don't want to make two sale values. So go to the labels, show mark label. So I'm taking off the one bar level. I'm making it as a bar level one because it will show on top of that. So I'm going to the second sale values, make it unchecked. This is the way you can create the lollipop chart, and it is easy to understand. So hope you guys are able to see my screen now.
Yes, Sandeep.
So understood?
Yes, Sandeep.
Yes, Sandeep.